Today I'm going to be opening more of these Disney Princess Surprise eggs, and they have 6 eggs in them, so they look like lots of fun, and I've done a lot more, and you can see all of those in my channel, so you can go back to my channel, watch all of those. So let's get started. Okay, so on to my first Disney Princess Surprise egg. Ooh, sounds surprising. Okay, so let's see what we get inside. Whoa. Chocolate all over the place. Okay, so let's see what we get. Oh, I got a roller skating bell. Here's fire. And yeah, so I got something new, yay. So let's put her together. So there is my roller skating bell. Let's skate her. So on to my second Disney Surprise egg. I have this in the fridge and they feel really, really cool right now. So that's why there's millions of pieces. This one can't even pop. Okay, lots and lots of chocolate right now. Okay, so let's see what we get in this one. Okay, I got another Snow White ring. Here's a flyer. So let's put her together. Okay, so now her. Okay. So there is my beautiful ring. I like it. She's so pretty. Hello, I'm Snow White. On to my third Disney Princess Surprise egg. Watch out, because here comes the exploding chocolate. Okay, so that wasn't really exploding. Okay, so let's see what we get in here. These are kind of hard to open. Oh, I got Princess Aurora. Here's the flyer. She comes with her 3 pieces as usual. Let's put her together. So there she is, my pretty Aurora. And she's very pretty. I really love her, and I love her dress. For some reason, she won't stay on her dress. Oh, there we go. So there she is. She's very pretty. So on to my 4th surprise egg. I wonder what that is. Good. Didn't explode that much. Look guys, this egg is different, so let's see what we get. Whoa, I got some cool flames today. So let's see the flyer. I got Ariel, and she's a princess, so let's build her together. This is a very nice dress. Look at this one. I've never gotten this one before, but she's very pretty. On to my 5th Princess Surprise egg. So let's see what we get. Okay, so let's see who we get. Oh my god, roller skating Aurora. Very pretty. Here's fire. Okay, so let's put this part together. So here's my roller skating Aurora. Let's skate, Aurora. Whee! Okay, so on to my 6th and last Princess Surprise egg. I haven't gotten any repeated ones, so that's good. Oh, yay. I didn't pop out at me this time. Okay, so let's see who we got. Oh, I got a ring and it's Ariel. Yay! The repeated one. Yeah. Put her together. There we go. So here's my beautiful Ariel ring. She looks very pretty. Hello, I'm Ariel. So here are all the figures I got. Well guys, I'm so excited that I didn't get any repeated because before I've gotten a lot repeated, but today I got no repeated ones, so that's very, very good, and I'm so excited about that. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Bye!